Here is a review of the different counter depth refrigerators with their specifications. All are highly rated by consumers.
LG LRBP1031 bottom freezer refrigerator with a total volume of 10 cubic feet, freezer volume 3.7 cubic feet.
3 shelves overall width 23.4 inches, overall height 67.3 inches, electronic display and automatic defrost.
Whirlpool GX5SSHEX side-by-side refrigerator with freezer volume 9.6 cubic feet, overall depth 30.13 inches. Energy Star compliant, automatic defrost, adjustable rollers, and glass shelves.
LG FC21760ST stainless steel bottom freezer French doors refrigerator with total volume 20.7 cubic feet.
4 shelves ice maker overall width 35.75 inches, overall height 69.75 inches, and electronic display control.
KitchenAid Architect KBLA20ERSS and KBRA20ERSS stainless steel bottom freezer refrigerator is reported by Consumer Arms Shopper to have a great counter depth, with a lot of room inside the unit and all food is visible due to the shelves.
LG LFX21971ST stainless steel bottom freezer French door refrigerator has great features including the counter depth and water and ice dispenser.
Samsung RSG257AR side-by-side refrigerator with counter depth is a great buy with many features.
Whirlpool GX5SSHEX stainless steel side-by-side refrigerator looks great and has a water dispenser that is hard to beat.
Maytag MFC2061HE bottom freezer French door refrigerator is loved by consumers due to the counter depth with a water filter and other great features.
JennAir JCB2285 PSS side-by-side refrigerator is great for counter depth and has plenty of room for anyone.
Bosch Evolution 800B20 CS80SNS side-by-side refrigerator is great in appearance, quality, price, ice dispensing, and is a great counter depth refrigerator.
Whirlpool GC5SHEXN side-by-side refrigerator has excellent storage, flawless performance and counter depth.
LG FC21760ST stainless steel bottom freezer French door refrigerator is a quiet running unit with counter depth, and reviewers are extremely pleased with all the features.
Maytag MFC2061HE bottom freezer French door refrigerator is a great counter depth refrigerator that requires limited space